Hello guys, welcome to Investor channel which is focused on investing and trading. Today we are going to see what is investing and what are the types of investing. First, what is investing? Investing is about putting your money to work in hope of growing it over time. It's like planting a seed and waiting for it to bloom into something bigger and better. There are many different ways to invest, each with its own potential risk and reward. Second, types of investing. There are five major types of investing. Number one, stock. Number two, bonds. Three, mutual fund. Four, real estate. Five, EFT means exchange rate funded. Number one, stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stocks, you are purchasing a small portion of the company. Become a shareholder. It means you own a fraction of the company asset and earnings. Companies issue stocks to raise money for various reasons such as expanding their business or paying off debts. As a shareholder, you may also receive a portion of company's profit in form of dividend. So second, bonds. Imagine you are giving a friend a loan. You are agreed on how much they will borrow and when they will pay you back and how much interest they will pay you in the meantime. That basically a bond. Instead of friend, bond involves big organization like government or companies. They need money for project, so they issue bond to borrow from investors like you. You buy the bond, essentially loaning them money. In return, they promise to pay you back the principal amount when the bond mature plus regular interest payment. Third, mutual fund. Assume you and a group of friends all want to invest some money, but none of you have enough to buy a whole bunch of different stocks or bonds on your own. That's where mutual fund comes in. A mutual fund is like a big pot where everyone throw in their money together. A professional money manager, like a fancy chef, then take all the money and use it to buy a bunch of different investments like stock, bonds, or even other funds. This way, everyone in the pot get a piece of all those investments, even though they do not have enough money to buy them all individually. Real estate. Real estate investing involves using asset which is land or anything permanently attached to it like building, trees, car, etc. to generate income or profit from it. It's like buying a tool you can use to make money in different way from it. ETF, exchange traded fund. Imagine you want to buy a bunch of different fruits but you don't have enough money or space to buy them all individually. That's where an ETF comes in. An ETF is like a fruit basket filled with different types of fruits, stocks, bond, commodity, etc. Instead of buying each fruit separately, you buy a share of whole basket which give you a piece of each fruit individually. Thank you for watching investor.com. Investor.com is a part to your financial freedom.